Hey guys, happy Thursday. We are out again for a Thursday night bash. Can't resist it. We love getting out. Hope you're enjoying the footage and the videos that we're doing. So we're out again tonight. We have got the granite and Mojave absolutely looking battered. And Jack's granite over there. Thomas's is poorly. We have bits on order. We'll see how long the front hub holds up, but hey ho. And it's got the Gorgon. So we're going to get into it. Are you ready, Thomas?
Yep.
Hopefully, oh, and Jack has one of the older spare tyres on it with the chrome, the original, bit split.
It's not split at all.
Well, there's a little bit of a splitch on it, so we'll see how it lasts, and I've got a spare in the bag. Go on then, Thomas, go, 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 go. Let's get on, let's go to it. Full pack of batteries. I think I've got 4 batteries. Anna's got 2 in the Gorgon, we've got some more on order, and the boys have got 4 each. So, I just want to correct what I said on the last video, at the start of the video with Anna's Gorgon. It's got a 4S 5200 in the Gorgon, I said in the granite. So yeah, a 4S battery in the Gorgon, which is fine. 4 cells, power turned down, gets a long run time, you know? Absolutely cracking. So guys, I hope you're having an amazing week. What's going on with you? We've already had some fun and shenanigans down the road. Oh, Thomas is over already, look, oh dear. We've already had some shenanigans down the road. It's going to be more of that, but yeah, it's already had some shenanigans down the bottom. Bit of drifting in the dirt. So, beautiful Thursday night evening. Oh, what a day it's been. So, just want to say that since having the Mojave, driving it, as I said, I've had a short course truck before, the Slash and a couple of other things. I really love the platform, really love it. The 4S power system in this is perfect. Really impressed with it. And I think when the boys get their new cars, they've got the same power systems in it. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm really, really impressed. The ESC, the motor setup is perfect. The center diff really, really, really does put the power down. I do need to go into it and probably thicken up the diff in the oil in the center.
Jack hasn't got a center diff.
Yeah, but it can be retrofitted. So if anyone's wondering, so the differences between V1, V2, and then what they call 2.5, which is V2 now. Obviously the newer, like the Mojave, the Outcast, and the Creighton, the V2.5 has that center diff, which is incredible. I pulled this, hey Thomas, I pulled it out of this one, and I was impressed. Nice piece of kit. So where I'm going with this is, if you've got an older V2, you can retrofit the actual gearbox housing, like, you know, with a pinion, and a V2.5 diff from Mojave into it. And if you want to know where, anyone in the UK, Jenny's RC, I just had a notification a second ago. So if you want parts, this is how good Jenny's are. I needed, well, I've already bought, and I haven't fitted it yet. I already bought brand new bumpers for the Mojave. They've already arrived, so I'm going to fit them this weekend. Get a little bit more use out of these yet, right? But Jenny's had them out of stock, and I did to put my number in to get a notification. I just had notification in stock, and they were only £15. You know, when you consider I paid half that price from the UK, so double that price from a seller in UK, and there's so much more, but £15 for the rear wheelie bar, rear bumper, front bumper, and the skid plates. £15. Yes, the shipping, which I think was about £7. But if you get a load of other bits, like, you can never get enough of the granite bits. But guys, yeah, check out Jenny's RC. We're going to get right into it. Enough of the yapping. Hopefully you can hear me in the wind. Please drop in the comments where you're tuning in from, where you're watching. We see a lot of people watching the videos that don't subscribe, so please tap the subscribe. Obviously tap the bell so you get notifications. And obviously if you want us to cover anything in our cottage, anything in our footage, we're going to actually go up this way today. Last time we were here, we're going to actually go for a walk with you. Try and cut out as much of the boring bits as possible, but I know sometimes people like to see the boring bits, right? You like to see people walking, you like to see the crawling, so we'll try and get some jumps done. Just a fourth warning, the place over here where we go, where we get the jumps, that's where things break. So this will be an interesting bash. Who breaks first? Who knows? Who do you reckon is going to break, Hannah? I think it's the Mojave's turn, because it's taking a belting. Oh no, someone's already going for it. So guys, we're going to get right into it. Have fun. And he's already going like a nutcase. 4S systems putting the power down nicely. Nice. Right, which way are you going, boys and girls?
No.
I just love speed. Who doesn't love speed, guys? No, I mean, look at Mojave. He's looking a bit sore today. I've been eyeing up that body on Jenny's. 86 pounds. I just love blue. We love blue and red, don't we, Anna?
It's not, it's white as well.
Well, yeah, there's red. Where are we going to go, Jack?
Good one.
This way today, are we? How's yours doing for grip, Anna?
I think I'm out. I don't know if I've got a start now. No, I'm out.
You out, you?
I'm out.
Yeah, stay on the short and curly. Oh no, hang on, Jack's going to send it. Alright, I'm going to go to the top. Hang on, Jack.
Probably not.
What are we all going to do? What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon we should all send it? Sending it. Every one of us, like a choo-choo train. Oh, everyone go. What was that? Full throttle, full throttle. What was that? Hey! Well, we're all over on the deck here.
Let's try that again.
Was that your first send it, Anna, with the Gorgon? I believe that was.
No, I didn't get it enough. I should have done it more.
That's the first time I've seen you send it. A great feeling. Whoa! That was epic, Thomas. Whoa, wow, wow, wow. Hey!
That is stuck.
Oh, what was that? You need... Hey! Almost. Nice!
Nicely done. Woo! Cracked it more.
Yum. Yum. Woohoo! Ah. Yum. Ooh. Anna, your car's in the way there. I know the last video was about crashing and bashing and tyres breaking, but my God. Oh. Yep.
No.
Nice. Oh no. Mum, chill out. What's going on? No. Oh. Ah, who was that?
Those the ones before it.
It's a nice little hump, isn't it? Nice! Hey? Good! Crazy is good. Here we go, guys. Right there. To the moon. Are we ready? Are we steady? Get set. Go. Meow. And it's all armor carnage. And did it land on? Anna's getting trigger happy. Anna, look at the burn mark you did in the grass. Look, you did a skid mark. Whoa! Thumbnail title, Dad get wiped out by car. Oh! Nice! Oh! Yeah. No. Oh my god! That was not, yeah, that was like. Oh! Whoa, what happened there? Oh my god. What happened? Did you die? No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh no, mine broke. Oh. No. Yeah, that's the way. It's a drop and roll, baby. No. Here we go again. I love this little jump here. Here we go. Oh, nearly had you. Ow.
Why my hub's holding up?
Ah, what? Oh! Is that broke?
No!
What happened?
That won't do it back. It's like
No! Alright.
Don't break my Gorgon. I can't move on.
Believe me. Holy moly.
No! Not me, you need to look out for us, these two. Jack! Well, an awesome bash, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Absolutely epic fun today. Got some crazy jumps and bumps.